Bulaga. Charis! Happiest birthday, Sisi Amy. Thank you so much for sharing all of the blessings that you have with the group and also for lighting up the room whenever you enter. Opak English. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! We love you!
Happy birthday, Miss Amy. Wish you all the best and good health and long life. Happy birthday!
Miss Amy, I just want to say happy birthday, more birthdays to come. I'm so glad that I met someone like you, who's just a nice person, and I thank you that I met you and being a part of a Starlight family. Thank you so much. I love you, and I just wish you good health and happiness always. Thank you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Miss Amy. Ang wish ko lang is more success in life, good health, and stay as you are. Yun lang. Basta, maging happy sa life mo at sa love life mo. Happy birthday again, Amy. We love you.
Hello Ate Amy, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo more blessing and good health. Lalong-lalo na sa family mo, and lagi mo tatandaan, dito lang kami nakasupport sa iyo. And thank you dahil nakilala ka namin ni Eli. And God bless always. And happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Ate Amy, our Vice President. Happy birthday po sa inyo and halong Pini Amping.
Happy birthday, Miss Amy. Wish you all the best and good health always. Enjoy your birthday tonight. Happy birthday again.
Kasi nagla-live kami, ang kulit-kulit eh. Happy birthday, Amy. May you have many more birthdays to come. And then, saya ako kasi napasali ako sa inyo. Thank you for being so kind and basta best wishes on your day and enjoy it. Love you. May one up anak-anakan here in TikTok. Have a good one. Anay Cassie. Happy birthday, me. Ma.
Miss Amy, happy birthday. Wishing you a life full of happiness and success and of course good health. Ayan, I was very blessed na nakilala kita at ang Starlight family. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na ito and God bless you.
Hello, Ate Amy. Ellipsis Rouge po ito. Happy birthday. Good health po and stay pretty. Kapatid po ako ni JM.
Happy birthday to Ate Amy. Ayan, thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga happy moments natin sa TikTok. And then, sana maglugog ka po. And then, lugas ako na maraming birthday. And always God bless you. Thank you, Ate Amy. Happy birthday.
Happiest and blessed birthday, Miss Amy. Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Sasami! Happy birthday, Ate Amy! Hope you have the best day ever! Enjoy your special day! Happy birthday! Wishing you day of health, love and laughter, and all the things that make you happy! Happy birthday, Ate Amy!
Happy birthday, Ate Amy. Wish you the best. Stay the same. Your Kuela friendly basher way. Continue to be a blessing, but most of all, happy birthday po.
Hello, Ate Ames. Happy happy birthday. I wish you good health and more blessings to come. We are always grateful. We are always thankful sa support na binibigay ninyo ni Sir Chacha, ni Mami Shi, and all of you. You know, kahit na hindi kami palaging nakakapunta or nakakapag-attendance, lagi nyo kaming wina-welcome sa inyong panel. Lagi nyo kaming wina-welcome sa inyong live, and we are very, very thankful sa support talaga na natatanggap namin sa inyo. Ako personally, hindi ako palagi talaga nakakadalaw sa inyong live, pero like, you know, I know na na-appreciate nyo pa rin ako or kami kahit na gano'n. We hope na someday magkita-kita. Sana makauwi kayo here, di ba? Makapag-meet up tayo para naman ma-meet namin kayo na very, very special na rin sa aming puso. So, meron na kayong part sa aming heart. Thank you so much. And we love you.
Hello, Miss Amy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa pinaka number 1 basher namin dito sa Starlight Farm. Pero kahit ikaw yung pinaka number 1 basher namin, Miss Amy, kami naman yung number 1 fan mo talaga. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi alam namin na may mabuti kang puso. At ramdam po namin yon sa araw-araw na tayo magkakasama. Kaya, salamat, Miss Amy. Ganun din kila Ma'am Shi. Sir Cha. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. And God bless. And enjoy your day, Miss Amy. Sana napasaya ka namin ngayong araw na to.
Happy birthday, Miss Amy!
Amy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss Amy. Maraming salamat sa pagiging generous sa amin, lalo sa Team Starlight at saka sa aking family. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa kaarawan mo at marami pa tayong pagsasamahan dito sa team natin. Yan. Baka hindi ko na papahabain yung message ko, baka mag-iyakan na naman. Yan. Thank you so much and love po.
Hello, Ate Amy. Happy birthday po sa'yo. More birthday to come, Ate Amy. And stay strong and stay healthy. And magdasal po kay God every day, Ate Amy. Again, happy birthday po sa'yo, Ate Amy.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.